I found this on Thingiverse and I wanted to make it. Stay tuned for the finished product. So first I started with some sanding. Then I removed the supports on the pumpkin slices. After that I finished off all the pieces, making sure they're all clean, and I began putting it together. This all took about 2 hours or so to put together. Stay to the end and see what the final product looks like. And let me know what you think. The unpainted product. It's opened up. I'm surprised at how well it came out. I can't wait to paint it. Yes, it does glow in the dark. Soon for the painted product.